Today I have for you this Banneton proofing basket. And what this helps do is either proof or bulk ferment your dough by adding a little bit of heat. There are 6 heating modes to this, anywhere from 77 to 122 degrees, but it's like a low, heat source. So it's not, you can't heat food up in here, but great, like I said, for rising your bread or bulk fermenting. So got this really nice see-through lid so you can see everything that's going on with your bread. I'll plug this in and show you how it looks. But inside the box here, what you do get is several tools that are so handy for bread. So you get your dough scraper or dough cutter. You do get, so let me be careful here, the bread lame. Also comes with additional blades and a leather sleeve. You get the basting brush. This is also really good if you need to flour your Banneton. Let me show you this here. You're going to go ahead and flour this up. This works really nice for that silicone brush. And then also a dough whisk for mixing bread. So really great little features or things that it comes with. You also do get the brochure. This is just going to go over some basic use tips and tell you all about it. But one thing that I think is fantastic about this is, you can wash it out when you're done, but you also have the ability to put this in the dishwasher. And how that works is you're just going to slide this piece out here. This comes out. Show you. And then this whole thing can go in the dishwasher. So really, really awesome. Easy to use. I'll just slide this back in. And let me go ahead and show you. Oh, and as you see, this is collapsible. So when you go to put it away, you don't have to have, it's not going to take up a lot of space. Really, really thin. But let's go ahead and show you. I've got this plugged in. It does come with a power cord. You do have to supply your own source. So whether that be a charging block or some other spot where you plug USBs in. But you've got USB to Type-C. We're going to go ahead and plug this in. You also, I forgot to mention, have a timer on this. So you've got your power button right there. You've got the timer and then also the temp. So we'll go ahead and turn the power on. And then you can see you can go through the different temps. You see that? That's the max. Oh, nope. That's the max right there. And then, like I said, you can go all the way down to 77. And then for your timer, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hour timer. So 1 through 6 for the timer. And you can just go ahead and let this get to work. So really great feature for the bread maker. So whether you're buying this for yourself or maybe a gift for somebody else, these are amazing and they work fantastic. I think you will love it.